Do you enjoy climbing the ladder, repairing gutters, climbing up and down, constantly up and down roofs?
Oh, it's something that I wake up in the morning and jump out of bed to do. Like,
Definitely.
love it.
Honestly?
No.
I'm probably more into smash and bash,
Yeah.
where we like smashing out big projects.
Yeah.
Where I think you're more of a finisher.
I like to rock up and see something that looks terrible and make it look amazing. Like myself.
Got very neat handwriting.
It's not really, is it? It's terrible. It looks like my son wrote it.
Do you do your hair before you go to work?
Every day.
Do you ever wear the same socks?
Yes.
How many days do you get out of your socks?
3. Am I meant to be asking questions as well?
No.
Have you ever had a mishap on the ladder?
Screwed straight through my hand.
Oh yeah?
Screwed it to a batten and got stuck and had to unscrew it with a screwdriver.
Loss of time, or you just kept going?
No, I kept going. Just a bit of duct tape and some tissue.
Are you a pie boy or a sausage roll boy?
Sausage roll and a bread roll with sauce.
Do you wear a hat?
Nope.
Doesn't look like it. Do you ever want to maybe just come and work for me?
No. What's something that people would be surprised to know about working in the industry?
Due to TV shows,
Yeah,
the tradie's life looks very easy, but actually isn't as easy as what you think.
No, it's not.
Do you love just waking up and going to work in the dark and coming home in the dark?
Nothing better. I don't like daylight. I don't like to see what the outside of my house looks like.
What's your favourite tool?
Trowel.
Trowel?
Yeah.
Have you ever done modelling?
No.
Truthful?
Truthful.
Good looking fella.
Has anyone else got any questions?